her body against the stone to break her spine.
Oh.
Now, why the Mayas break the spine?
We don't fight.
Exactly. If I break her spine, she will be totally paralyzed from her shoulders to her feet. She can't move. So Jenny, you can't run away. And she can't feel anything at all. She is paralyzed. But amigos, Jenny is still alive. I need her alive. Why? Because amigos, the human sacrifice, the Mayas, they used to take the heart from an alive person. So I need her alive. Okay, now you are paralyzed, Jenny, so please turn around, please. Like this? Excellent. So amigos, now I have to take her heart. From which part of her body I have to take her heart? From where?
Chest.
The chest? No. The stomach, that's right. We have the ribs in here, my dear friends. You can coat a rib with an obsidian, but you need a couple minutes. The priest doesn't have a couple minutes. Has to be very quick. So the priest made an incision below her ribs. And after that, he put the hand inside. He take the heart, made like a twist, and pull it out. Do you know how many times the priest need to pull the heart out? Less than 10 seconds. That means when the priest pulled the heart out, the heart is still beating. And Jenny, she has enough time to see her own heart outside her body. Amigos, this is a human sacrifice. The one in the movie, it is a little bit different. Amigos, the Mayas, they used to practice decapitation, but not in the main temple. In the ball court, the ball game. Okay, not in all of them. We believe that only in the Chichen Itza ball court. Okay, and also in the cenotes. Okay, thank you so much, Jenny. You're still alive. I'm sorry, I was kidding. So you have to go back with her. Okay.